All right, so once you log in, you're going to get to this screen and you're going to be hit with this nag and dialog. So this dialog box will always pop up when you change screens to remind you that you need at least 3 of these items before Henry has enough data to start answering or helping you out with your finances. So you have to enter income, credit cards that you might have, any of your expenses, and any other bank accounts. So you could just dismiss that. Now, if you're on the free trial, you're going to see this upgrade button. If you're not on the free trial, this button's not going to show up. So there's a lot of things that are appear or don't appear just based on how much information you've added and where you are in terms of the data that you've inputted. So right now, when I come in, my screen is blank. I'm going to get some error messages here because there's really nothing for it to start showing. On the left-hand side, there's the summary, which will bring you to this main screen right here. Then there's the goals. We'll get into all these navigational items later on. But there's the goals. Here's where you enter your income, bank accounts, credit cards, expenses, assets, debts, mortgages, and insurance. Now, you don't need to fill out all this information. You just fill out what applies to your case. Almost everybody has income of some sort, credit cards and or bank accounts, and almost everybody has expenses. So that's why that nag screen was showing that you need to put this information. So I'm going to get started with just entering my income.